Hi, today I'm producing Oppo A17 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the sound and vibration. Here we can see the ringtone volume panel. Just to mute ringtone we should hold and slide to the left side this dot. Just if you wanna make it by this second way, we can make it. Just first be sure that in advanced settings in volume button function we have selected here ringtone volume, and just we should press down volume button, and by this way we can also mute our device ringtone, and we can make it by the third way just by slide to the down this volume panel. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.